Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Zyidas and welcome back to a short video. I don't even know what to say, but this is a pretty damn good value for a 60% fully customizable aluminium keyboard from Keychron. This is the Keychron Q4. I mean, look at this. This is the silver colorway and it's so damn amazing. Okay, just check out the side profile on this. It looks pretty nice. Look at that side profile, so nice. And as well as the back looks very nice and plain. So the price in USD, I got this over at Taobao, is at 104 USD. That's insane. Pretty damn good. So technically this is just a $100 board. Yeah, the weight on this board fully configured is 1.5 kg. That's pretty insane, guys. That's pretty insane for a fully built. I think if I'm not wrong, the QK65 is 1.8 kg or so. This is 1.5 and it's a 60% and it's from Keychron and it's $100. Yeah. So the build that I'm going on is currently stock configured, stock step, stock everything, stock foam, stock plate foam. The only thing is the switches are SP Star Meteor White, loop with Krytox 205 grade 0, and the spring is loop with 105 grade 0. The keycaps, however, are geekark, white on black, reverse, dice up PBT. So yeah, pretty awesome, a very good looking board. I'm gonna show you how it sounds stock. Alright, for the step sound test. The stock flex test. All in all, I think it's a pretty damn value board. So guys, thank you guys so much for hearing my stock sound test. I'll be doing a modding video on this keyboard very soon. Till then, thanks for watching. Please do subscribe for more content and I'll see you guys later.